You may see problems like HBO Max service error code 321. This issues happen when there is something wrong with your network connection. In this guide, I will show you how can you easily fix it. Method 1. Check internet connection. As it can also be a network issue, make sure that your network connection is up to the mark. See whether your device is connected to the internet or not and if the internet signal is active or not. Poor internet connection will result in the occurrence of this error code. Method 2. Check server status. The HBO Max server may be experiencing an outage, or it has been purposefully put on downtime for planned maintenance. If HBO Max's servers are down, the only option you have is to wait for its team to address the problem. Method 3. Check your area. HBO Max is available in the United States and certain U.S. territories, as well as select countries in Latin America, Europe, and the Caribbean. If you are trying to access the HBO Max from outside area of the US or US some territories, this error code will occur. Method 4. Disable VPN. Proxy. Virtual private networks or VPNs could also be the reason for the HBO Max error code 321. VPNs change your IP address and redirect your data to one of their servers to keep your connection safe and private. Unfortunately, this process could cause delays and interruptions to your network, making it difficult for online applications to function. If you are using any VPN, please turn it off before accessing HBO Max. Method 5. Update your device, then update HBO Max app to the latest version. The latest version of your application overcome many issues and bugs. So, make sure that the application which you are using is updated to its latest version and you are not browsing the HBO Max to its outdated version. Once you have updated the application to its latest version, check if the problem is appearing still or has been flushed out. Method 6. Reinstall HBO Max. If the update did not work, your last resort would be to reinstall HBO Max on your device. Unfortunately, the app may not be installed correctly on your device, or some of its files got severely corrupted and are no longer fixable. If any of the above-mentioned methods are not working in your favor, then the lender of the last resort is customer support. Here you can provide your feedback to ask the HBO Max team to resolve this particular issue.